Seniors, here's a question most people over 60 are afraid to ask. Why do so many people start going downhill after 65? Why do they feel weaker, slower, and closer to the end when the human body is actually designed to live well past 100 years? At 65, you are not near the finish line. You are just past halfway. Your heart can still beat billions more times. Your brain can still grow new cells. Your muscles can still rebuild stronger than ever. So what really goes wrong? It's not age, it's your daily habits. What you do in the first hour after waking tells your body whether to start repairing itself or slowly breaking down. Today, we're sharing the 3 most powerful morning habits that can transform your health. But before we start, share your age and where you're watching from. We love hearing from you. Now let's dive in. First, drink water immediately after waking. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. This makes your blood thicker and forces your heart to work harder. Many people drink coffee first, but that worsens dehydration and spikes cortisol. Instead, drink about 2 glasses of room temperature water as soon as you wake up. People who stay hydrated can live up to 7 years more than those who don't. Second, get at least 10 minutes of morning sunlight. Your body has a natural clock for controlling sleep, energy, and hormones. Morning sunlight resets this clock every day. Without it, your body can fall out of sync, leaving you tired during the day and restless at night. Just 10 minutes of natural light in the morning tells your brain to wake up properly. It balances hormones, boosts mood, and improves sleep later. It also helps your body make vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and overall health. And finally, eat a high-protein breakfast. Muscle loss is one of the biggest reasons people lose mobility as they age. Without enough protein, your body starts breaking down its own muscle tissue. Eating around 30 grams of protein in the morning helps preserve muscle, strengthen bones, and reduce the risk of falls. Seniors who maintain muscle mass not only live longer but stay independent much longer. Foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, lean meats, and fish provide the essential protein your body needs. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss tips to stay strong, sharp, and healthy after 65.